I will never look at cooking the same way after hearing Janvi's story, exposing the secret sauce in Janvi's success. Janvi moved to New Zealand with big dreams and an even bigger smile. She started out washing dishes, but never let go of her passion for cooking. Day by day, she learned from the best and practiced tirelessly. Her hard work paid off when she won her first cooking competition. Now Janvi is New Zealand's beloved master chef. She's not just known for her delicious dishes, but also for her unbreakable spirit and contagious positivity. Janvi inspires everyone she meets to chase their dreams, no matter how tough the journey seems. So next time you face a challenge, think of Janvi and keep smiling, rain or shine.